This is DJI Neo drone, and today I'll show how you can set up or create the custom flight mode or custom flight preset on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the DJI Fly app and press the Go Fly button or simply enter the camera view. Then at the bottom, select the settings section and open custom page or just press custom. Now select what flight preset you would like to use for it, like helix, boomerang, or direction track. So while in helix, you can also adjust the max distance and camera mode perhaps. While in boomerang it's the same, and if you'll select the direction track, you are able to change the follow distance between close, medium, and far, the follow height between low, flat, and high, and well, that's pretty much it. So as far as this video goes, and well, thanks for watching, and bye bye.